it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to make an adorable holiday inspired earring? Making this adorable little statement earring, super lightweight using Softlex. And I am using beads from the Softlex Company Design Kit Christmas Sweater. This was the exclusive bead strand, and I just love how they're kind of see-through, so you can see the garnet wire for the Softlex show through, just to incorporate the holiday colors. I'm adding in this beautiful little tree charm from my collection, full of sparkle, and then some 5 millimeter little spacer beads. You could use rondelles or seed beads, just kind of optional, but just to bring out the gold in the design. Need a 6 millimeter jump ring, a 2x2, and your earring finding. And of course, your soft flex wire. I am using garnet. That's what came in the kit. You'll need about 5 inches for the earring. And before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow, and I will leave links down below in the description if any of these items are still available, as well as a holiday playlist tutorial and earring inspiration. Let's start creating. So we're just going to start by cutting our 5 inches of soft flex wire. And this is a great earring. If it's too big for you, you can always use it as a pendant. Great design. It's a pretty easy project. So if you're giving them as gifts or for holiday and craft fairs, this is a perfect earring idea. So we're just going to alternate by adding on the little check glass beads and the spacer beads. And this is just basic bead stringing. When we do like the little circle look, I was actually inspired by a few of Kristen's designs. And once I started making the style, I can't tell you how many pairs of earrings or necklaces I've made with them. So we're just going to add on all our beads, alternating between the green and the gold, and you can just see the garnet wire show through. Down below what you thought of this fantastic kit. Softlex kits are always amazing, but during the holidays, they just seem extra special and magical. And I'm always inspired to see what everybody makes in our jewelry community. All the beads added on, we're going to bring in our 2x2. We're just going to slide it onto one side of our Softlex wire. With opposite side, we're just going to crisscross and give it a pull. Now, the longer side of Softlex wire, we're going to loop back through our 2x2. And from Softlex Company, they can fit 3 of the medium Softlex wires. So we're just going to pass it back through. And don't worry if things kind of loosen up on you. We can always just make adjustments. So we'll have it passed back through. Now we're just going to make our loop, and we want to make sure for the earrings that it is the same size. So we'll make any adjustments as needed. We're going to bring in our plier and just give it a gentle squish. Normally, I will go back and rotate my plier and round my 2x2, but because of the placements of the beads, I'm just going to flatten it. We're going to take our nippers and just trim off any extra Softlex wire. Be sure to save your Softlex wire. You can always use it for a future project. You just want to make sure that you don't trim off that little loop that we need. Now we're just going to add in a 6 millimeter jump ring and our charm. And when we open up a jump ring, we're just going to gently twist side to side, attach our charm. We're just going to attach it over that flattened 2x2 and this little loop and give it a close. You should hear that little click and you'll know it's secure. And we have our adorable little earring. Now we're just going to add in our ear finding. So for this style here, it's just similar to opening up a jump ring or an eye pin. Just turn it upside down, gently pull. We just want to make sure that our tree is going the same way. Then we're just going to give it a close. And we have a pair of fun and festive holiday earrings using the newest Softlex Company design kit. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for all other inspiration using this design kit as well as holiday ideas. Have an awesome day.